we've learned a lot about them. The cool thing about sloths is how much we still don't know. The research that's being done about these guys out in the wild. Someone told me from the facility he was from, which they do a lot with sloths. The most we know about sloths is only about 10% more than the average person. So there is so much still studying to be done, so much to learn about their behavior, about their biology. These guys, when they eat, they ferment a lot of their food. So it's not like our hoof stocks that break it down between different chambers of stomachs, but it's still different from us. Is that they are taking their food and then sitting in them for a long time. Out in the wild, they're only pooping about once a week. Here at Arizona, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. We give him some extra carrots and stuff, and he eats them on the go. The thing is that we can still tell through his poop how healthy he is. It's supposed to come out in like little deer pellets, and if it's not, then we know that we can change things up for him. So we've been very proud of being able to pay attention to that, making sure that he's got a good home here at the park, making sure that we're doing the right thing for him. Everything about this animal is supposed to be slow, moving slow, eat how slow they digest all their stuff. We think there's still science to be able to be found about that, on why that might be the case. Mostly hanging upside down, so you can see he's still comfortable eating like that right now. It's amazing. I could never eat like that. Don't you ever dare try to feed me like that. That would not go well for us humans. For him, he's learned to adapt. It makes sense to be able to eat like that. But it doesn't mean that they still want to go upright. They like to still sit upright. That's one way to go to the bathroom. We've noticed that that's a good way to make sure we have healthy poops from him, is to give him more opportunities like that. But also being able to sleep like that. We actually give him a milk crate and we put it up long ways, and he actually likes to sit inside it holding onto something, very comfortable like that. So he's a lot of fun to be able to work with. Are you heading back home? It's okay if you want to. I'll let you if you want to. But if you don't want to, I'm going to see if I can still pay you for staying outside. Because all of our training works just like how us humans do. We pay the behaviors that we like to see. We reward the behaviors that we like to see. So if I can tell him, okay, you can make that choice, let's give him one